Hello everyone! If your Tecno Spark 10 Pro keeps showing annoying ads and you're looking for a way to get rid of them, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll show you several settings that can greatly reduce or even completely stop most ads from appearing on your phone as we go through each step. I won't rush, so you can apply every setting directly on your phone instead of waiting until the end. These ads annoyed me so much that I even thought about replacing my phone. But thankfully, I found a solution. Make sure you watch until the end because many people disable only one option and then wonder why ads are still appearing. The last setting is one of the most important, and if you skip it, you may continue receiving promotional notifications and recommendations. Everything you'll see in this guide is safe, completely free, and doesn't require rooting your phone, installing risky apps, or connecting your device to a computer. We'll only use the built-in Android and Tecno settings, so anyone can follow along and complete the process in just a few minutes.